But nevertheless, we can say by observing the qualities of such a liberated Premi Bhakta of the Lord, that he certainly had all the qualities of the gopis. Their love, their compassion, their seva bhav. Prabhupada cooked for the devotees. Prabhupada served the devotees. Prabhupada washed the pots and pans that he cooked for the devotees. Prabhupada washed the china plates that he served the devotees on in Second Avenue. Prabhupada washed the floor after everyone got up and went outside to do whatever they did. And he washed the floor after they ate. And after they used the toilets and made everything dirty on Second Avenue, Prabhupada went in and cleaned the toilets. This is very surrendered. This is very pure. This is very transparent. No attachments. No, I'm big. Das, no das, no das. This is hard fact. This is biography. This is the truth. So like that, Prabhupada wanted us to be like that. Das, no das, no das.